Hey guys, this is Jojo from Jojo's Cup of Mocha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications of when I post new vlogs or tips and tricks. So today, I just wanted to tell you that we were going to go to Hollywood Studios, and then the next day we're going to Island of Adventures, and then we're going to Animal Kingdom. So this is future Jojo. I'm finally getting around to editing my Disney vlogs. However, I realized that the footage that I got from Animal Kingdom wasn't exactly the best quality, and I go over it a little bit in the video. I try to do a voiceover, but I don't have a proper microphone for recording voiceover, so I don't know if you can hear it properly. However, basically what I'm trying to explain in the video is that because of the heat and humidity in the morning when we first got there, my camera lens was just fogging up so badly. Like, I could not get clear shots of anything. And then later on in the day, when I finally had the ability to record videos that weren't just fogging up and looking all like muggy and whatnot, we were on a safari ride. Now, if you've ever been on a safari ride, whether it's at Animal Kingdom or the real thing is very bumpy, you're going over a lot of different things, and it's very difficult to have a steady hand while recording. I tried my best, however, I just wasn't happy with the footage, so I put in a few clips here and there of the animals I did manage to get that were semi-decent, because a lot of the animals were far away. I couldn't zoom in quick enough while recording on my camera to really get beautiful footage of beautiful little animals, so I tried my best, but next time, you know, I'll figure something out and I can get better content for you guys. But I just wanted to put this in anyways, just as proof that I did go, because I remember, I don't know, in the first or second vlog, don't remember now, I said that I was going to Animal Kingdom, and I realized, I can kind of say I went. It's proof that I went, but I mean, it just wasn't good at all. But that's it, and I will let you get back to the actual vlog. So in this recent vlog, I said that we were going to Island of Adventure, and we did, but you can check that out in the previous vlog. The location that we went to this time was Universal Studios, as you can see later on by the huge spinning globe that says Universal. I just wanted to clarify that just a little bit, so that way no one is confused about whether we went to Island of Adventure or Universal Studio. like the vlogs. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and it lets me know that I'm doing a decent enough job and that you like this kind of stuff and I can continue to film more of it. So that is it on my end, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye!